Jude, where have you been now? Eh? You kept us waiting for too long. This lady here, she wants you to work for her. That's why she's here.
Yes, I came to hire you to work on my father's farm.
Please, I'm sorry, okay? I am very sorry. I really do not think I can accept any job offer. I just turned down one this morning. Please, I am sorry. Please, okay?
Jude, excuse me. Let me see you. Jude, what is wrong with you?
How do you mean?
Why are you rejecting jobs that's meant to fetch you money? Why?
Kamsi, are you okay? No, Kamsi, are you really okay? Look at this land. Take a good look at this farmland. I'm not done with this. How do you expect me to take another one? No, how do you expect me to take another one? Go finish this one.
Collect it. If you keep rejecting other jobs, and by the time you're done with this one, and you don't get another one, what will you do? Listen, man, I'm telling you the honest truth. You should collect as much job as you can, then think of a way to finish them. Do this one. Go ahead and work for her.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome.
All right. There's no problem. I will go with you to see the farmland. But please, you have to exercise little patience. Please, okay. I have to work on this farm. In fact, I must work on this farm today. All right?
No problem.
Please come and sit down. Come and sit down here. Jude, let me leave you two now, eh? I have an errand to run, as usual. I'll see you later.
Okay, bro.
All right. All right. Take care.
Oh no, I can't believe that I was dreaming. It felt so real. Sitting here will not do me any good. I have to do something. Yes, I have to. Well done.
Thank you. Please, just exercise little patience, okay? I'll soon round off.
Okay? It's okay. Take your time.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, I want to join you in working so we can finish faster.
Come on, you can't do that, okay? Don't worry, I'll soon be through. Huh?
I insist.
Please. Look, you don't have to bother yourself. Huh? Don't worry, I'll do it.
Not to bother, I will leave the hard ones for you.
Let me do this, okay?
Don't worry. I'm not as soft as I look.
Please.
I can do it.
All right, easy, okay? What is it?
My leg.
What happened?
My leg, I twisted it.
Where? Where's your hurt?
My knee.
Please, can I massage it?
Yes.
Alright. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Up a bit.
Up where?
Here in my lap.
Alright. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. You should be careful. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm sorry.
Jude.
I'm sorry.
You have to follow me now.
Come see. Look, whatever it is, it has to wait, okay? She's hot.
Nothing. Jude, you have to come with me now. Your father is vomiting.
What?
You have to come with me. Your father is vomiting.
What happened?
I don't know what happened. That's why I came to call you. So we can both go and know what the problem is.
Please, I have to go and see my father right now.
Okay.
I'm sorry about your leg. Please, can you walk?
I'll manage.
All right. Let's go. No, don't worry. Just go. Just gradually, take it easy. We can't leave her here, right? Don't worry, just go. Sorry, take it easy, Sorry, take it easy, Sorry. All right. Let's go. Sorry, I told you to. No, you think you're strong, you're not strong. Sorry, Sorry. Careful. Sorry. Are you okay? All right. Sorry. Just gradually, okay? Take it easy. Okay? All right. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, okay? Sorry.
I guess you're going this way.
Yes, we're going like this.
My house is this other way.
Okay. I'm sorry about your leg, okay? You know I told you not to walk, but you refused. Yeah? I'm sorry. Are you sure you can go home like this?
Yeah, I can manage.
Alright, so how do I get to see you so you can show me the piece of land?
Oh, when you walk down this road to the extreme, you take your left turn. Ask for OBK's compound.
Okay, I'll go like this.
Yes.
Then I will not take the left turn.
Left turn. Ask for OBK's compound. That's my father's house.
Oh, alright, no problem. I will try and see you as soon as I can, okay?
Okay.
Please take care of yourself, okay?
Thank you.
Alright.
Take care of your father too.
I will. Come see, let's go. You're sure you can go, Abby? Alright, come see, let's go. Alright. I'll see you later. Let's go, let me go and see my father, please.
Oh! What sort of nonsense is this? He was already getting carried away when that idiot called Kamsi just came and interrupted everything. Nuku. What do I do now? About all my nice dress and Kamsi here, you not see good. Anyways, there's always a second time. Everything. This my nice dress and everything.
Jane, you're here. I've been here for more than 40 minutes now. You wouldn't have met him if you had stayed a bit longer.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So, where did you go to?
I went to buy something.
Mm-hmm. You went to buy something? Looking this hot. Okay. Where is it you went to buy now?
What is it with all these questions? Is it wrong to look good again?
I have rice. Should I bring it? I'm not happy. Somebody just annoyed me.
Who is that?
It's one guy that I met a few days ago.
Do I know him?
No, you don't. I don't know him.
So, what did he do?
When I met him, he said he would die if I don't become his girlfriend. Why are you laughing? It's not a laughing matter. He said he would die if I don't become his girlfriend. And I accepted though. And he invited me over. Just for me to pay him a visit today, and all he just wants from me is sex. Can you imagine that rubbish?
Oh, that's meant for you, my dear. They may love you, no doubt, but they still want to taste from your honey pot. So, don't let that bother you.
I'm fine, no problem. Come to think of it, Mrs. Advisor, you that is advising me, with all this your beauty and natural endowments, when are you going to get yourself another boyfriend?
Should I tell her? No. I will tell her when everything is set and he is mine. No worry. Soon. Relax. Soon enough.
Soon. Okay, I can't wait though. Can't wait for that soon to come.
Kamsi, please, there's something I want you to do for me, okay? I want you to help me rush to the farm. Get all my farm tools, okay? I need to go to that lady's house. You know, I want her to show me the land she wants me to work on.
But I thought you told me you're not going to work today.
Of course I'm not going to work today. I just want her to show me the piece of land. No, honestly, you don't trust them. I don't want her to give the land to another person. The moment I'm done with the one I'm doing tomorrow, I'll just... I'll just put immediately.
And that's only why you need to do this job. So that she doesn't give it to somebody else.
No, you're talking. Please,
you'll still remember the description she gave to you.
Of course I do. I wouldn't forget such a thing. I do. So I'll see you later. Please, just run along. I don't have to miss this job. Now we need this money badly.
Hey, you're funny, I swear. Hey, I wonder how I ended up with a friend like you.
The same question I'm asking myself. Of all the girls in this village, why did I choose you?
Because I'm beautiful now. Hey, thank you for making me laugh. At least my anger is gone.
You should pay me for that, you know.
I will. When you grow beards, stupid girl. Please come and see me off, Joe.
Oh, you're going so soon.
No, I'm not going. I'm going home to bring my bag so I can come live with you. Please come and see me. If you miss me so much, come to my house.
You know I will, right?
Hello? Hello, good day. Hello, is there no one in this house? Hello?
Jude, you're here.
Yes.
When did you come?
A few minutes ago.
Oh, I'm sure you came immediately. I went to see my friend off. Please sit down.
Your leg? You're no longer feeling pains?
No. It's healed. I'm fine now.
Injured me healed within hours? I see. What are you not telling me? Did you make up this injury? How could you have been this blind, Jude? Jude, how could you have been this blind not to see this? What was your motive? Tell me, what was your motive for this?
No!
Me? What do you mean, me?
Jude, you must be so blind not to notice that I warned you. All I did was to draw your attention to the fact that I am obsessed with you, but you're not even taking notice.
Oh my God. This is serious. Wait, hold on. So there's actually no land anywhere for me to farm on. What? Ha! Jude. Jude, you're so stupid. Thank you. Thank you for wasting my time.
Listen, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't know how to walk straight to you to tell you how I feel. And I was scared that you would turn me down if I do. So I had to seduce you, so you asked me to be your girlfriend.
Now that you have said it, my answer is no.
Why? Am I not beautiful enough?
Who's talking about your beauty here? Look, let me tell you. I have a girlfriend at home, okay? I have a girlfriend that I love so much. I cannot afford to cheat on her, not even with a sea goddess. Thank you for wasting my time. Rubbish. Don't call me. Come see. Thank God you're still here. I feared you would have taken my machete home.
I would have come to your house since I had to branch somewhere. Why is your face like this? Who made you angry?
Come see, you won't believe it. You know that lady that said she wanted to show me a land to work on? But there's no land anywhere to be worked on.
Are you serious?
Boy, I'm telling you. I mean, everything was a plan. I mean, she had everything all planned out. All those things, I mean, the land thing, the whatever, the stunts she pulled in the bush, they are all ploy to seduce me. I was shocked when I got to her house. I saw her walking normally. I asked her, what about your leg? She said, the leg is healed. How?
What kind of magic is that?
No, I really don't understand. I had to pressure her, and she said, I am sorry, I am in love with you. I fell in love with you from the very first day I saw you. What rubbish? What's funny?
I felt it. I'm sorry. I am even supposed to tell you that she was one of those girls who was watching you the other day you were working at the farm.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. She's one of those girls.
Oh, this is not funny. This is not funny at all.
Hi.
Hi.
See, I'm sorry
for living the way I did earlier. I wasn't happy. But I guess I overreacted. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's no problem. Sorry.
I thought you would be hungry by now, so I brought you some food.
Come see. Please excuse us for a minute.
You are excused.
Please, go with this. Look, I just met you today. Okay? I don't even know your name. Now you're bringing me food.
Let's call it making up for my actions.
I'm sorry. I cannot accept the food. I cannot accept this food until you tell me what's going on.
Okay, I'll tell you. I lied about wanting to hire you to work for me. I don't even know who owns that farm I took you to. I don't know what has taken hold of me. All I know is that I'm in love with you. I'm so in love with you. I fell helplessly in love with you the very first day I set my eyes on you.
Interesting. This whole thing is now making sense to me. Wait. All this stunt was just to get at me. Oh, hold on. That the stunt you pulled, the ant bite, the whole drama stuff. What are you thinking? You wanted to seduce me?
I'm sorry I went about it the way I did. Don't blame me so much. I couldn't think of a better way to get your attention. I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's okay. I've heard you, okay? I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry I cannot accept your food. And I cannot accept you either. Alright? Listen, there's nothing wrong in having feelings for someone. Okay? Emotions are personal and they can be managed. Alright? I have a girlfriend. I love her so much. In fact, I am madly in love with her. I cannot afford to hurt her. I'm sorry.
Please, don't turn me down. Just give me a chance. I promise I won't give you trouble. I promise. Please.
I'm sorry. I cannot help you, okay? I am so sorry I cannot give in to your demand. If I accept you to mar my relationship, I can't afford to do that. I love my girlfriend. I'm sorry I had to turn you down.
Okay, no problem. I'll give you a chance to think about it. But just know that I will never take no for an answer. Okay?
This is getting more interesting.
No, why are you laughing?
Okay, Kanaka, you're too much. She is one of those two girls that I told you who was watching you the day you were working at the farm. Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. She's one of them.
Come see.
Too much.
Something tells me that these girls are desperate. And they will stop at nothing until they bring me down. I do not want to have anything to do with any desperate woman before they put me into a problem.
So what are you going to do about it?
You do something for me.
What would you have me do for you? Hello, who is here? Hello, who is here?
Yes?
I want to see Okoli.
Oh, but this is not Okoli's compound.
Okay, where is Okoli's compound?
The next house.
Thank you very much. I'm very sorry. I thought this is Okoli's house.
Okay, no problem.
Have a nice day.
Wait. Please, I want to ask you something. And I'm willing to pay anything just for you to tell me the truth.
You don't need to pay me for me to tell you any truth. Just go ahead and ask your question. I will answer it.
Okay. Does your friend really have a girlfriend, or is he trying to push me away?
You said I should tell you the truth. And the truth, I must tell you. Though it's gonna hurt you.
I'm all ears. Tell me.
My friend is into a serious relationship. In fact, he started dating her some days ago. I'm surprised you don't know about it.
Why do you say that?
Because the person he's dating is no other but your bosom friend, Anwale. I thought you're aware of it.
That's not possible.
Well, you can believe what you want. I've told you the honest truth. In fact, they've already had sex. In Meguia, they've had sex. I have to run now. I have an errand to catch.
Okay. Hey! Anwale! No. No! But she told me she's not ready for any relationship. So she was lying, eh? How could she? Hey! And he said they've already have sex. Hey! Hey! This girl is a scammer. Oh, this girl. Hey! 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 Eh? So this girl is a backstabber, eh? Hey! I will deal with this girl. I will deal with this girl. Hey! They've had sex together. Hey! They've had sex together. Oh.
Hello, please excuse me. I'm sorry I stopped you, okay?
Yes?
Please, Ashika, we need to talk.
About what?
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to start a fight with your friend Jane?
Fight my friend.
Yes.
I don't understand.
What do you mean you don't understand? My friend told me that you asked him to be your boyfriend. How can you do that when you already know that he just started dating your friend Jane? No, now. How can you do such a thing now?
You don't know what you're saying.
How can you say I don't know what I'm saying? When I already know that Jane is your bosom friend. You both are best of friends. How can you do this?
Yes. There must be a mistake somewhere.
There is no mistake. Please. All I'm saying is you should allow my friend enjoy his found new love. Allow the both of them enjoy their relationship. Okay? Don't be a stumbling block on their way now. Just allow these two lovebirds enjoy themselves, okay? Big Kono, eh? Let these two people enjoy themselves. Is it too much to ask? Don't say I did not warn you. I have already told you. I've told you my own. Don't say I did not warn you.
Jean!
I said it! I said it! I said you are a snake. God! Jean, I thought you were my friend. Okay? We shall see.
Okay. Alpha, how did you go? How did you go?
Man, went well. It's done. Yes.
Are you serious?
It's done.
Well done. Thank you very much.
I'm a smooth operator.
I know by now they'll be fighting amongst themselves, man. After that fight, no one there comes close to me again.
What if they don't stop? What if they don't stop fighting?
Then I have no choice but to play that game. Let's go.
Alright, let's go. You're good. The master planner.
Brother man!
You say you don't want any man. So why did you go for him behind me? You snake! You are the snake! Yes, Jane, you are the snake! Why do you always have eyes on everything I like? Why? Hey, Jane, you say you are not ready for any man. You see your man? Are you the one who created him? See, let me warn you. If I see you anywhere close to him, if I see you, I will skin you alive. Jane, you didn't just say that to me. For what you just said,